everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is SOHINI CHANDA and I hope you guys all are doing well. So as you already know, Nykaa Pink Friday sale is now live and today I'm here for product recommendations. Now there is so many offers. I cannot stop myself from buying. Oh my god, this is like crazy. But anyway, I am going to recommend few products from each brand. So I have listed few brands that you can try if you haven't tried it yet, like K Beauty, Plum, MAC, Maybelline, Huda Beauty and many more. I'm actually going to share my two favorite products from each brand and I'm gonna talk about them individually. It will be a quick video. I mean, there are a lot of products, so I'm gonna go through them very quickly. It will not be a in-depth one, but it will be about my experience about the product. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. Alright, before starting the recommendation, let me quickly go through all the offers they have. Like MAC, they have buy two get one free, which is definitely amazing. You should definitely grab something from MAC. If you buy two products, add another one and it will be free. So the lowest price will be the free one, and it also goes with Too Faced product, which they have buy two get one free. So then there is Huda Beauty, which has flat 50% off. I'm actually looking at my diary because obviously I cannot remember so many offers. Okay, so Huda Beauty has flat 50% off on their eyeshadow palettes. Definitely go for them. Amazing. Okay, so they have Smashbox buy one get one products, and I have been loving Smashbox liquid lipsticks a lot, and I will talk about them थोड़ा देर बाद. Then they have Makeup Revolution products, buy one get one, combo offers and many more. And they also have Rimmel London products, which is buy one get one. So there are many offers. I'm gonna list all of them down in the description box below. So right now let's just move on to the product recommendation, and let's start with K Beauty because I have been loving K Beauty a lot. Alright, so from K Beauty I would recommend these two products. This is the cream blush and this is the loose powder. Now cream blush is very pigmented and very creamy at the same time. I'm gonna swatch it. This is in the shade Rustic Rush. It's a beautiful shade and you can apply this every day, every single day. I actually apply this regularly, like whenever I'm going out. I love the formula, I love the pigmentation, and also they have tons of shades, so you can definitely check them out. Next is their loose powder. Now the shade I use is Banana. They do have different undertone and different shades in this product. Now Banana suits me perfectly. You can go for olive as well if you are in my skin tone. Banana gives me little brightening as well, or you can also go for their translucent one. I absolutely love their product. This is very mild and it just smoothens out your skin. Love it. Moving on to next brand, that is Plum. Plum goodness is one of my favorite brand. Their product is so unique and so skin loving. I love them. So the first product I'm gonna recommend is the Plum Vitamin C 15% serum. It's one of my favorite vitamin C serums out there. It gives a glow, brightening, and also helps to fade out acne marks and spots and pigmentation as well. Love this so much. You should definitely try this one out. And this is also fragrance free. Okay, so the next product I'm gonna recommend is their body mist. I love the I actually forgot the name because I'm talking very fast. Okay, I'm gonna mention it right here. I love this one as well. This is Feeling So Rose. It's a beautiful mist. You apply it, it's going to last really long, and really long bole to 4 to 5 hours, not more than that. But this is very affordable, and definitely you give this one a try. You're gonna love it, and yeah, this one for sure. Moving on to MAC, as I said, if you buy two get one from MAC, so definitely give them a try. So the first thing I'm going to recommend is their strobe cream. This is so good. Honestly, I have actually used a lot of other strobe creams, but this formula is so different. I know we do a lot of dupes, but this one is actually different. It feels very hydrating, soft, very lightweight as well, and it gives that very nice glow. So this one is a must, and I love the shade pink light, which works for my skin again very nicely. Next thing I'm gonna recommend from MAC is their lipstick. Of course, you can go for the bullet ones or retro matte ones. These are little drying, to be honest. If you have dry lips, it is going to feel drying, but again, if you apply a lip balm, it's gonna last really long. And this shade is Dance With Me. It's a beautiful shade. You can also try different shades from this range because they have tons of shade. MAC का shade तो बहुत है, तुम देख लो कुछ भी चाहिए हो तो. And the next thing is the bullet lipstick. These are very comfortable. These are matte but comfortable matte. And the shade I'm going to recommend is Taupe. It's a beautiful nude shade. I'm going to swatch it right here. It's a beautiful nude shade for everyday purpose, and if you're in my skin tone, I'm NC40 from MAC and Maybelline में 310 हूँ, 310, so you can definitely go for this shade. Let's talk about Mamaearth a little bit because I am loving their makeup products. Their lipsticks are great, but their foundation is even better. This is the Glow Serum Foundation with vitamin C. Love this. Now the shade range I did not like, but the formula, the finish, I absolutely love them. The shade I am is 06 Almond Glow. Love this product so much. And the next thing, you can go for their bullet lipstick, the crayon ones, or you can go for their lip serums. These last really long. Now the two shades I'm going to recommend is Caramel Nude and Rosy Nude. These are nude shades. Okay, there's another shade which I'm going to recommend if you love red is Creepy Cherry. Lovely red shade. Highly recommend that as well. Okay, let me just quickly swatch them. This is Rosy Nude right here, and this is Caramel Nude right here. Moving on to Maybelline products, how can I forget them? So this is the Superstay Matte Foundation. If you have oily skin, combination skin, this is a great product for you. Now my one is almost, खत्म है, ये पूरा ही खत्म है, पूरा खाली है. It's so lightweight right now. So this one is a very good foundation. As I said before, my shade is 310. You can definitely give this one a try. And if you have dry skin or even combination skin, if you want that dewy finish, go for this primer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Normal to Dry Skin Primer. It has vitamin E as well. It's very lightweight and hydrates your skin and gives that dewy finish. Moving on, there is Smashbox, of course. So from Smashbox, you can grab their lip kits. They are coming in buy one get one as well. You can go for the lip kits or you can directly go for their liquid lipstick. This formula is so good. I mean, they are non-sticky, comfortable and non-drying as well. I'm loving it. The shades I'm gonna recommend is Gulabe and Boss from this Always On liquid lipstick. And moving on to the next product from Smashbox, which I love, is their primer water. Now this is the emptied one. Thoda sa baki hai. This is the new one which I grabbed recently. This is my second bottle. This is the third bottle. Love this product as well. You can apply this before applying your makeup and after you're applying your makeup, after you're done with your makeup. So this is a great product. Moving on to Nykaa products, of course, I cannot forget this foundation. This is the Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. This is ये ख़त्म हो चुका है, ये भी ख़त्म होने वाला है. This is a great product. Again, this gives you that a very nice medium to skin-like finish coverage. And the shade I am using is Golden Hour number 10. This again is a perfect match for me. So if you are in my skin tone, you can go for this shade. Another thing I'm going to recommend from Nykaa is their Oldie Goodie. This is their Mattelicious Lip Crayon. Oh my god, this is so comfortable. These are matte, non-drying matte lipsticks. When you apply, they are very creamy and it settles to a matte finish. It lasts really long. My favorite is the Next Level Nude, and this shade is again beautiful. This is Lacy Luck number 10. I'm going to swatch it right here. It's a beautiful shade, perfect for smoky eyes as well. Moving on to Forever 52 products. I love Forever 52 as a brand because, yeah, I do work with them, but their products are definitely worthy. And if you haven't tried any of this, here's the time. you should definitely listen and watch. This is the Forever 52 highlighter. It's blinding. It's blinding. It's creamy. It's soft. It settles nicely into the skin. This is the Twinkle Star highlighter in the shade 05. 05 is my shade from their highlighter range. You can see how much I have used it. Like, you can see the difference. And here is the swatch. I'm gonna swatch it for you. This is blinding. This is beautiful. Highly recommend this product. Another thing you can try is their lip pens. These are again beautiful. Their foundation is amazing. Concealers are amazing. I mean, I cannot stop talking about their products. I love them. Okay, so here I'm gonna swatch one shade. This is 706. It's a beautiful, like a different dusky shade. Look at that shade. So unique and so pretty. I'm also gonna swatch this one. This is 713. It's a beautiful red shade. Swatch it right here. And here you can see the swatch. Okay, there's another brand which I absolutely love, and I cannot stop talking about them, is Sugar Cosmetics. I have been working with them since like I started Instagram, and yeah, right now I'm not working with them, but I cannot skip them, okay? I cannot skip this brand because it's so good. So the two products I'm going to recommend, again, this brand has so many good products that choosing two products is headache, okay? Like, you can go for the Ace the Base foundation, natural finish and full coverage. You can go for their face palettes. Lipsticks are amazing. Like, this one is the satin finish one. The particular shade Emma is my favorite. I couldn't get this because कहीं पे खो गया है, मेरे पास ही है, but इधर उधर है. Okay, so the shade I'm gonna swatch right now is Charlotte, and here is the shade. It's very creamy, very pigmented. Sugar lipsticks are amazing, beautiful. If you want that full pigmented lipstick which lasts long, go for Sugar. And another thing which I'm going to recommend is their concealers. I've tried their concealers for so many years, and it's beautiful. It's full coverage. It's very, it smooths out, and I love it. I love the coverage, and also it settles very nicely. So yeah, definitely give this one a try. Now let me just quickly talk about few products, individual few products which I would recommend. So the first thing I'm going to recommend is the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. They are at flat 50% off. You can grab them. You can go for the bigger ones or you can go for the smaller ones. If you think bigger ones are too much for you, go for the smaller one. This is in the shade Sand Haze. It's a beautiful palette, and you can see I've hit the pan right here. This palette is my go-to palette. I use it as my eyeshadow, and also I like using this as my lipstick. Okay, so whenever I go out, I apply any kind of lipstick nude, and then I apply this one. It just gives me that pretty beautiful, a shade, nude shade that complements my skin tone a lot. So that's why I have hit the pan. And Huda Beauty eyeshadows are extremely pigmented. They blend very well. So highly recommend them. Okay, moving on, I have few skincare products, but this is not skincare, to be honest. This is the MUA Pro Base Banana Blur Primer. This primer is again very good, very balm-like, and it's not sticky, but it makes your skin hydrated, glow and bouncy. I love this primer. Moving on, I have only 3 products, and 3 products are skincare products. So this is the Laneige Lip Slipping Mask. It's beautiful. I don't know, a lot of people say this does not work for them. For me, it works amazingly. Actually lost count of how many tubs I've got. So yeah, this is amazing. I love it. Moving on to the next product which I'm going to recommend is the Garnier Micellar Water. This is the oil infused one. If you are somebody who loves waterproof makeup, and getting rid of waterproof makeup is a task, I know, so go for this one. It's inexpensive and works amazingly, does the job really well, so go for it. The next and the last product which I'm going to talk about is my current favorite. This is the Be Plain Cical Full Calming Gel. You know how much I love the Avene Cica balm, but currently it's not available, so I thought of trying this out. It's a beautiful gel, beautiful soothing gel. You can apply this all over your face as a mask, apply this as a overnight mask, or you can just keep it on the freeze and apply it a little bit cooling. And yeah, this works so well. It calms down your skin, and yeah, hydrates the skin as well. So love this. I'm actually loving this. All right, those were the products which I am going to recommend, and you should definitely give them a try. Also, if you have any suggestions for me, like I haven't tried before, I should try right now, and I should buy it from Nykaa, let me know in the comment section below. Also, I'm going to mention all the links down in the description box below. Do not forget to check them out, and happy shopping, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you find it helpful, and I hope to see you guys again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.